This is the way to Pykara waterfalls. See, for old people, electric vehicles also available, but only 300 meters walkable distance is there. That's why that battery vehicle is already almost full. So that's why you are talking. See, this is the vehicle is there. That's why if unable to go by walk means we can go through that vehicle, electric vehicle. That is per head 20 rupees only. One way. That's it. See, my kids already reached here. Little bit rainy, drizzling. That's why some members are taking umbrellas also. This is the way. See how beautiful it is. Wow. What happened? This is the issue with my guy.